Hi all, welcome back. So today we'll be looking for a code in p5.js. This code is made for an activity game. In this activity we were asked to create a game by ourselves using the p5.js. Now let's see the code in detail. This code implements a simple spaced theme game using the p5.js library. Let's break it down into key components. First, the variables. Here we have used a lot of variables. Variables are declared to store the positions and states the astronaut, bullets, aliens, and game state. Example: astronaut X, bullet Y, score, left pressed, etc. Next comes the preload function. In the preload function, it is used to load the space background image before the setup function. Now what is setup function? This function initializes the canvas size and sets initial positions for the astronaut, bullets, and aliens. After that comes the draw function. In the draw function is the main game loop where game logic and rendering take place. It first draws the space background image. If the game hasn't started, that is game started is false. It displays the game instructions. If the game is ongoing, that is game over, it updates the position of the astronaut, bullets, and aliens based on user input and game rules. It also checks for collisions, updates the score, and handles bullet firing. If the game is over, it displays the final score and promotes the player to replay by pressing R. After that comes the key events. That is the key pressed function handles the key press events. If the game hasn't started yet and any key is pressed, it sets game started to be true. That is shown over here, game started equal to true. Then if the game is ongoing, it handles astronaut movement and bullet firing. If the game is over and R is pressed, it resets the game. The key released function handles key release events and stops astronaut movement when arrow keys are released. And the last function which we have used in between is the reset game function. It resets all game related variables to their initial values when called, effectively restarting the game. In overall, this code creates a simple space battle game where the player controls an astronaut to shoot down aliens while avoiding the bullets. The objective is to reach a score of 5 to win the game.